Welcome guys to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize voice cancellation when you're making phone calls on iOS 18. Now, obviously you can really only use this when you are receiving phone calls or doing phone calls. Since I don't have any phone call planned out, I'm going to show you guys an example of this. So all I'm going to do is go into phone, type in a general number, right, like 1 2 and 3, then click call. Right, you go on iPhone. Now all you have to do is scroll down from your tab, and then you will see up there phone controls. Right, you see that? You click on it. Now you see how the microphone is toggled, and then you can see these other types of toggles. So you have automatic, standard, and then voice isolation. And that's how you have to click for you to have the voice isolation going on. Then you go back on your phone call by clicking the bottom, and there you go. Right now, if you're speaking to someone, they will be able to hear you, understand you without all that horrible background noise. And it's that quick and simple. So if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next. See ya.